Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. In a few weeks, human resource services across the public sector will undergo a dramatic shift. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark says it's part of the government's Shared Corporate Services Initiative, which falls under the Public Sector Transformation Program. TVJ's Andrew Laidley has the details.
In a matter of weeks, the public sector will undergo what is arguably the biggest change under the ongoing transformation program.
In the beginning of the new fiscal year, HR shared services will commence, i.e., we will have a central facility that provides HR across government, beginning with certain ministries, departments, and agencies, and broadening eventually to the entire government.
And that's just the beginning.
By the end of 2019-20, we will have commenced two other areas of shared services: internal audit and PR and communication. And the next step in those is to submit proposals so we can engage consultants who can help us in those two areas. So HR is underway and will be done in 1920, and by the end of 1920, we will have started on those other two.
The latest IMF report highlighted that Jamaica is lagging in its efforts to bring the public sector wage bill to no more than 9% of GDP each year. It has been doing so through a number of initiatives. The most recent attempt was the voluntary early retirement program, which failed to achieve its outcome. Other attempts include ongoing mergers of related agencies and departments and the divestment of state assets. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Let's go now to currency trading. The US dollar ended the day selling for $135.31. The Canadian dollar is now selling for $101.79. The pound, $174.17, while the euro closed the day at $154.64. Now, oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in March went up by 3 cents to settle at $52.45 a barrel. The JSE index gained 2,756 points today, while the junior market index is up 25 points. Among today's winners, Blue Power Group, Paramount Trading, Stationery and Office Supplies, Siboney Group, and the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Let's look now at some of the losers: G West Corporation, Pulse Investments, Express Catering, Kingston Properties, and Jetcon Corporation. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.